Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with question number 10 of exercise 10.5. And the question is this: if circles are drawn taking two sides of a triangle as diameters. Circles are drawn taking two sides of a triangle as a diameters. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. Just look here. This is the triangle ABC. Is it here? And these are the circles drawn. This one. This is a circle drawn taking AB as diameter. And just look at this one. This circle. This is the circle drawn taking AC as a diameter, and let these circles intersect at point D. What you are given? Let ABC is a triangle and two circles are drawn taking AB and AC as their diameters. Let D is the point of intersection of these two circles. These two circles. Question is this. To prove that the point of intersection of these circles lie on the third side. What you have to prove? You have to prove that the point D lies on where? The third side of the triangle ABC. What we have to prove? The point D lies on the third side BC of the triangle ABC. Now just look at the proof. Just see, this is my construction work. Join. What we have joined? AD. Now for the left hand side circle. What is there? This AB is diameter. AB is the diameter for the left hand circle. It means this angle ADB will be 90 degree, because this is the angle in semicircle. Is it there? Now for the right circle, this right circle, just look here. AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter. Therefore, this angle ADC, this angle, which one? This angle ADC, this will also be 90. Angle ADC will be 90. And what is the reason? Because angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle 90 degree. Is it there? Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Just look here. What we will get? Angle ADB. Angle ADB plus angle ADC. They will be 90 plus 90. Just look here. Angle ADB. This is angle ADB. ADB and plus ADC. If we combine this, which angle is this? BDC. BDC. It will imply that the angle BDC is 180 degree. What is the sum of these two angles? This is angle BDC. BD and C. What is the sum of these two angles? ADB plus ADC, that is BDC. Angle BDC is 180 degree. It means the points, B, comma D and C are collinear. It means they are in a straight line. And it will imply that if point D lies on side BC, and this we have to prove. If point D lies on side BC. Is it okay? Now this is question number 11. कि ABC and ADC are two right triangles with the common hypotenuse AC. Prove that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. ABC and ADC, these are two right angle triangles with common hypotenuse AC. Just look here. Suppose this is the common hypotenuse AC, and ABC and ADC. These angles are 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree. So what you have to prove? Angle CAD is equal to CBD. Angle CAD is equal to CBD. So first, look what you are given. Given two triangles, which one? ABC and triangle ADC, in which angle B and angle D both are 90 degree and they have a common hypotenuse which one? AC. What you are given? Two right angle triangles ABC and ADC, in which angle B and D both are 90 degree and they have a common hypotenuse AC. What you have to prove? You have to prove angle CAD. CAD is equal to angle CBD. CAD is equal to angle CBD. Now just look at the proof. Just look here. Since now ABCD, this is a quadrilateral. Now ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle B plus angle D is how much? 90 plus 90, and that is 180 degree. The opposite angles of this quadrilateral are supplementary. It means that this quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. If it is cyclic, then we can draw a circle around it. Therefore, what will happen? Just look. We can draw a circle like this. Okay, this is point A, this was point B, this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. What you have to prove? Angle CAD and CBD, CAD and CBD. CAD, this one, and CBD, this one. Now just look the arcs CD, arc CD. Angle CAD and CBD. Now angle CAD and angle CBD are in same segment. Angle CBD, this one, angle CBD, and angle CAD. Both are the angles in same segment, and angle in same segments are equal. So therefore, what you will get? Angle CAD is equal to angle CBD, and this you have to prove. This you have to prove. Is it okay? Now this is question number 12. To prove that the cyclic parallelogram is rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. So what you are given? ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. Therefore, what will happen? Sum of angle A and angle C will be 180, and sum of angle B and D will be 180. So therefore, angle A plus angle C will be how much? 180 degree. Okay, and angle B plus angle D will also 180 degree. Is it there? By ABCD is parallelogram, cyclic parallelogram. Therefore, angle A plus angle C will be 180, and angle B plus angle D will also 180 degree. Again, this is a parallelogram. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So therefore, what will happen? Angle A will be equal to angle C. This angle A and angle C, let they are X, and angle B will be equal to angle D, and let they are Y. Let they are Y. This is equation number 2. These two angles, I have taken X, and these two we have taken Y. Is it there? Now, if angle A and C, they are equal, therefore X plus X 180, and angle B and angle D are equal, then Y plus Y is equal to 180. So using equation 2nd in first, using equation 2nd in first, what will happen? Just look here. Angle A plus C, both are equal to X. What will happen? X plus X 180. Okay. 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, x will be 90 degree. X will be 90 degree, and y plus y will also 180 degree. From here, y is also 90 degree. Y is also 90 degree. So what is the value of this angle? All these angles. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. These two are also 90 degree. Okay. It means this is a parallelogram in which all angles are equal to 90 degree. All angles of a parallelogram are 90 degree. It means that is a rectangle. So since all angles of parallelograms are equal to 90 degree. Since all angles of parallelogram are equal to 90 degree, therefore ABCD is the last line of the question. Therefore A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Rectangle. Is it there? So that's all for today. Thank you very much.